This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Time to route. Interactive routing is launched by clicking the route button or by selecting the routing command. Click route, then click interactive routing. Shortcut Ctrl+W. Since the components are mostly surface mount by, the design is simple. The board can be routed on the top layer. As you place tracks on the top layer of the board, use the rat's nest connection lines to guide you. Tracks on a PCB are made from a series of straight segments. Each time there is a change of direction, a new track segment begins. Also, by default, the PCB editor constrains tracks to a vertical, horizontal, or 45-degree orientation, allowing you to easily produce professional results. This behavior can be customized to suit your needs, but for this tutorial, you can just use the defaults. When the routing reaches the target pad, the software will automatically release the connection